Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find starred messages in a community on WhatsApp web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and log into your account. Step 2. Click on the desired community to access its chat. Step 3. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen to reveal more options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Announcement Info to view the community's details. Step 5. Navigate to the Announcement tab, usually located alongside other tabs like Chat and Media. Step 6. Finally, click on Starred Messages to view all the messages that have been marked as important or noteworthy within the community. And there you have it. You've successfully found starred messages within a community on WhatsApp web. This feature allows you to quickly access and review important information shared by members. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.